You're listening to That Home Loan Hub. I'm Zibuni Solimova, here to make home loans and property investing simple, smart and stress-free. Let's get you closer to your property dreams. If you have a lot of debt on your plate and you're wondering whether you can buy a first home, listen up. This is the episode for you. I've got Kunch in the house. Hello, Kunch.
Kia ora.
Kia ora. I'm so excited for you. We had such an amazing win.
Yeah, we have had a few success this week.
Let me rewind it back. So
Yes.
A week ago, we off to Christchurch for the conference, and Kunch is talking to me about this client that she's got. And the client is first-time buyer and got what?
Yeah. So I met with a couple of first-time buyers. They found a property that they really, really like and they want to put in an offer. So after sitting down with them, having a chat and going through, what we call your statement of position and finding out, your income, your debt and things like that, it showed that there was quite a bit of consumer debt that we had to work with. So there were multiple car loans and personal loans. A lot of it was taken to help family and things like that as well. And we're seeing that quite a lot as well, because you got the main person who is the income earner in your whole extended family as well, and earning really good income. So you're able to get all this debt, buying the car for the son, the dad and things like that. But what's happened is it's added up to be quite a big amount. And to be quite honest, I was just like, oh my gosh, how are we going to, get a home loan? Because I was like, it is quite a big amount.
Because even with their high income, the repayments across multiple loans were really killing their servicing.
Yeah.
What we call serviceability of the future home loan.
But it was also the stress of juggling all those payments as well.
Oh, they had like 12 loans or something.
Yeah, I was like, I wouldn't even be able to manage so many. So what we did as a first step was to actually look at all the loans they had. They were able to still afford it. They were able to still pay those loans. So what we did was actually we pulled all the loans, the car loans, the credit cards, the Afterpays, the Zip pays, all into one debt, and combined it all on a lower interest rate as well, I must say. So we were able to lock in a lower interest rate for them. We were able to make it into one repayment, and that repayment was less than all the combined payments that they have. And then that put them in a better position to go to the next step of getting a home loan pre-approval to purchase that property that they really want.
And here's the interesting part. The reason I mentioned Christchurch in the beginning was because we were in Christchurch a day later and you already had approval in place for these clients. So within a day, you pretty much met with them, got the information, sent it to the lender, and the next day we were in Christchurch and the lender already sent us approval.
Yep.
Like, that was phenomenal.
And then by that afternoon, all those consumer debt were paid.
They settled.
Yeah, they settled.
So that just was mind-blowing to get such an amazing result for them, because what it allowed to do them then was you put together an application for the first home and we're pretty much approved now. So that just shows that sometimes what you don't know is what you don't know. And a lot of those clients, when they come to us, they come with a sense of shame as well and guilt that they've overspent and made some really bad money choices, or that they were helping their family too much and now that put them into the bad position. But here we are, we don't judge. We cuddle them with our love. We show them the way and the lender wants to help.
Yeah. And I actually want to see more of that. Like, that's what actually gets me out of bed every day, sort of thing, and to be able to help fix their financial position so they are in that step of buying their first home. But even if, you're not ready to buy your first home, we can get you there. Like, first step is to tidy up those debts, because like I said, it would be so stressful to have to manage so many of those.
Yeah, exactly. So I was so excited for these guys, because that helped them to get back control of their finances.
Yeah,
right?
It did.
And now they have control of what the repayments are. They don't have to juggle 12 different places. They're not overpaying on interest. So everything that they saving extra is going towards paying off their loan faster.
Correct.
Or saving money towards the first home.
Yeah.
So it's a win-win.
It is.
And this is my message today, is don't be ashamed.
No, just reach out.
Reach out. We're here to help. It's almost like, sometimes I see people when they're suffering from some medical issue and they're scared to go to the doctors. I'm looking at your coach. And it's like, just go to the doctors. They're the experts. They will sort you out. And the sooner you go, the better the outcome. The longer you wait, the worse it gets.
And also, there's no shame in like saying, oh, my bank account is messy or things like that, because I rather know it all. I rather see it all so I can help you fix it.
Yeah.
I may not be able to fix it right now, but I could fix it in 3 months or 6 months' time.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you just got to reach out and let me help you. Let us help you.
I also think sometimes people don't understand our job is to be that gatekeeper between them and the bank.
That's why we're kind of called mortgage brokers, because we're the brokerage.
Advisors.
Yeah. Used to be, broker.
We are the gatekeepers. We can help you to put the deal together. That's our job, is to put the deal together and advocate for you. We are on your side. We work for you, not for the bank. Sorry, banks. We love you. But our clients are the clients. They are our clients at the end of the day. So we have your best interest at heart.
100%.
So whatever you tell us, often safe with us. And if we don't know the full story, we cannot advocate for you.
My worst fear is always telling someone no.
Yeah.
Like, I hate saying no to someone.
Yeah.
Or like, you got decline. Like, I never use that word decline.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not now.
Not now.
Maybe later.
Yeah.
But I get you. I'm the same. I think it also comes with us being a woman, and we're naturally people's pleasers and we want to say yes to everyone.
Yeah.
We want to help them.
And it's like, if I can't say yes now, but I will make it happen. Again, that's both of our mentality as well, I think, is we can't make it happen now, but we will make it happen.
Yeah. And we've got a few of those, right? We've got a few that we've been working with for the last few months, or for me, it's for the last few years. But
I'm starting to get that trend too.
But it's showing them the way, showing them the path, and you can only get better.
Yeah.
Like if you come and see us, you can only get better.
Yeah.
You shouldn't get worse.
If you think it's bad, just still come and talk to us. Like, I'd love to be able to help.
Yeah. But if we don't know the full truth, we can't help.
Correct.
And that's what I often say to people. Look, we will find out at the end of the day, because the banks do run the credit checks and numbers don't lie. So if you're dishonest with us, then
we can't advocate for you.
We can't advocate for you. So the only thing I can always say to people,
just tell us the truth.
Tell us the truth.
We'll have your back.
And we will have your back.
We got you. I
said this to my 13-year-old as well. It works in either concept. So guys, if you have multiple debts and you're struggling and you're hardly keeping your head above the waters, come and see us. We'll sit down with you. We'll go through the budget. We'll figure out a way for you to make things better. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you, Kunch.
Thank you.
Bye. And that's a wrap on That Home Loan Hub. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join me next time for more property tips and tricks. Your next smart move starts here.